Mago Magtuke, Club mar Gor Mahia ochikore mokalo Club mar Tusker FC e thuolo mokwongo mar chung' mar Klepe League maduong' ma pacho ka bang' loyo Ulinzi gonde 2-0 e alap ma Kasarani. Austin Odhiambo nomiyo Kogalo gol mokwongo e dakika mar 3 kapok John Masharia omedo ne Kogalo gol mar 2 e dakika mar 9. Points 3 keto Kogalo e thuolo mokwongo gi points 2 mbele Club mar Tusker FC. E alap ma Muhoroni, Club mar Tusker nonyiedho modhoth bang' Club mar Wazito. Club mar Tusker nonyiedho modhoth bang' Wazito loyo gi gonde 2-1.
Naweza sema hii game ukiangalia from the word go hizo chances mbili ambazo wamezipata nafikiri na tulikuwa tunajua kwa sababu Gor mchezo wao ni wanajaribu kupata early goals. Naangalia mechi nyingi wamepata goals zao kwa hivyo. So naweza sema ni mistakes za wachezaji wenyewe ndo walitufanya mpaka tukalose. After kulose hizo bao mbili nafikiri game imechange ikawa iko neutral.
First of all, it's almost coming away. I'm really pleased. And you've heard me say before that this is a young team and results won't always go our way, but we're trying to build something, and I think today almost there's part of that first half and part of the second half that almost makes me a little bit emotional as a coach, because there was a real beauty in some of our play. It was beautiful, some of it, and we know that the players, it's within that team. It doesn't happen every week. They're maturing and they're developing, but we're supporting them in that. It's tough when you play for Gor and want to develop because you're always under pressure.